Hi Susan, this is Maggie. So I will show you how to make some of the products unavailable or hidden from your online store. So it means no one will be able to find them. If they were searching for this title, they won't be displayed in the collections, but they won't be deleted. So you can always make them available again when you're ready. So if you go to all products in your admin store and then basically select all the products that you would like to hit, obviously you can search for them as well. So select all, tick all those that you would like to hit, and all you have to do once you tick them, click on actions and click on make products unavailable. So it hid 5 products, those five products are hidden. So basically if you want to display them again, you tick the same products again later on and click make products available, and they're available in your online store. And that's basically it. So it's easy as that. I hope it helps.